Hello everyone, welcome to Traderscockpit.com. Last video we discussed about how to use the TCFL Cloud by using TCFL Cloud, where to we enter, what is our stop loss, and how to exit, how many points we have to keep the target. This and all we have been discussed in the last video, and I told you that the next video I am going to explain about how to create a customizable scanner. Like, as we know that around 1800 stocks has been trading in NSE. In that around 1800 stock, which stock today crossing above the TCFL Cloud? So that we need to identify. So if we do manually, it takes a lot of time. So for that we develop the screener. So here you can see you need to go to toolsets, and if you click on create customizable screener, here you can do one single click you can get the results which is crossing above the TCFL Cloud. Okay, so now here what you need to do is, instead of real time, you need to select EOD technical scanner, that is end of the day technical scanner, and later if you come to scope, if there are many guys trading or choosing only Nifty 50, or they are choosing only F&O stock segment, so always prefer those who guys do derivatives, they can select only futures and options, like the stock which is trading under only futures and options, that you can able to select. Either you can select all the stocks also, around 1800 stocks in NSE, and if you scroll down in last you can see TC Indicator Premium Plus. If you click on this, there is an option called TCFL Cloud. As you can see at TCFL Cloud, if you click on that, there is an option called Price Crossing Above TCFL Cloud. So this is the one you need to select, and if you click on execute, if you click on execute the screener, you will get the results which are the stocks which giving above the which are the stocks which is crossing above the TCFL Cloud. So these stocks you can select, and you can able to do a short-term investments, or you can execute some derivative strategies in this particular stocks. If you want to save the screener, you just click on save, and if you give a name as a TCFL, for example, give a name as a TCFL, and if you click on here, click on subscribe to email and SMS. So what happens, whenever the TCFL Cloud breakout happens, that particular results will be sent to email. Like in every single day you will get one SMS and one email at the end of the day. And if you click on save screener, the screener will be saved. And where you need to check, you have to click on odd refresh, and so two dashboards you can check. One is my cockpit, my stock screeners. If you go to my cockpit, here you can see my stock screeners. Here you can see I just saved one screener, that was TCFL. You can see here TCFL. If you click on execute screener, the screener will be get executed, and you will get the results whichever made the TCFL Cloud breakout. In the same way, in another dashboard also you can able to check the same option. Like if you go to toolsets, and if you click on create customizable screener, and if you click on save screeners, here you can see TCFL. So here also you can check which are the stocks has been given above that, which are the stocks which is crossing above the TCFL Cloud. So these stocks you can select, and you can able to do positional investments, or else you can do execute some derivative strategies. That's it for the day. If you guys want to know more about Traderscockpit software, here is the details. You can contact us. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.